conference. We have here Anna De Beer, Coach Jerry Lee, and Rita Nogales of the Zeus Coffee Thunderbells who won in 5 sets against the Akari Chargers. Coach, congratulations on this win. Still unbeaten here in the PBL. First 2 sets nakuha na Akari, pero paano lang din nakuha yung win, and especially in dominant fashion against them?
Hindi naman dominant. Ano lang, adjust lang, and then execute lang tayo ng mga basic plays. So, hey, nakuha.
Thank you, Coach. For Anna, 33 points in this game. This was a repeat of the first matches in the PBL, and now you were able to contribute in getting this win. I guess, how do you feel about that?
Yeah, I mean, definitely it was hard sitting out the first one, so just be able to play, have such a cool environment here was really fun.
Thank you. And for Riza, consistent din laro mo in this game, and Marco, isa sa mga nag-lead din sa team. Siguro paano lang din ina-own yung role mo with Zeus Coffee?
Yun nga po, malaking bagay din po kasi sa akin yung binigay na tiwala ng coach, ng mga coaches, and ng mga atas, lalo na sa loob, lalo na pag yung mga reps na pag nag-i-aral ko, malaking bagay yung pag sa akin yung pag-lift up nila sa akin sa loob. So, ayun lang, doon ako kumukuha ng lakas para mag-perform lalo.
Thank you. The floor is open for question.
Anna, you came off a very nice getaway during the past few days with your mom. So, feeling recharged after a very hectic opening stretch, how does it feel to be back there on the court? And was there a bit of some jitters, let's say, in those first 2 sets that you didn't win?
I don't think it was jitters. I think they really came out strong, and it really caused us to feel the pressure and kind of make adjustments early on, and we felt that, and it's really hard to come and turn that around and a reverse sweep. So I'm just really proud of everyone to battle through that adversity and come out on top.
And thank you for Lisa. So far sa 5 games na napanalo nyo, paano yung ibang nakita ng Zeus Coffee ngayon compared to mga previous conferences na sa tingin mo yun talaga yung nag-set apart sa inyo so far?
Siguro, mas lumabas yung namin, yung pagiging palaban and as a team na player, and yun.
And for Coach Jerry, ano lang po siguro yung general impression niyo sa 5-0 start na to?
Hindi niya alam yung isasagot niya, rookie pa yan. So, hindi niya pa alam dati. So, 5-0 start, wala eh. Ano lang, nag-a-adjust lang din tayo kung ano ibibigay ng kalaban, kukunin natin. So, yun, swerte kami this game, nakapagadas, and then nakuha namin.
Thank you po.
And I guess you won Player of the Week citation from the PBL press corps, so just your thoughts about that.
Yeah, it's really exciting. I think those awards are team awards in my eyes, so just I couldn't do that without everyone that has done everything for us, passing, setting, defense. It's a full-on team effort, so I'm just really proud of our team.
Riza, paano mo lang sinisisi yung moment na to, yung past few games yung unbeaten kayo, pero ikaw personally, paano mo lang tinitake yung challenge na, well, to step up for Coach Jerry and the team?
Siguro lang po sa akin, one game at a time lang yung sa akin na every game kailangan maghanda yung mindset na laging ready kahit di man ipasok or ipasok.
Coach Jerry, congrats sa 5-0 start ninyo. Siguro para sa inyo po, ano po ba yung key doon sa start na yun, and siguro paano nyo tagadalhin sa next full stage?
Well, basically, si Ana nandyan. So may mga rotations tayo na kailangan nating makaikot agad. Nandiyan si Ana, so nagagawa namin yun. Yun talaga.
To Coach, 5-0 start, does this send out a statement to other teams not to watch out for kayo? And are you satisfied? Masasabi mo na bang satisfied ka because nasip niyo yung preliminary round?
Masarap pakinggan yung 5-0, pero mahaba pa ng tournament eh. So, kung may, di ba, bottom 3 kakalabanin pa natin, ikot pa tayo, kumbaga round robin ulit, and then yung semis pa, and then baka magpa-finals. Masyado pang malayo.
Coach, yung sa game kanina, can you talk about lang paano nakabak ng team, especially down kayo 2-6 to 1?
Well, initially, yung import nila nakakapag-take advantage sa setter natin. So, trinay natin uli yung rotation. And sama nag-work naman, all this. Baga, given yung blocking, nandiyan si Ana. So, ganun lang.
Coach, dito sa game na to in 5 sets, naka 13 errors lang yung Zeus. So, ano pa yung sa tingin nyo kailangan mo din ma-improve para mas makonti pa next time?
Try lang namin maging consistent. So, yung mga basics namin, yung mga pasa setting. So, yung mga maliliit na bagay, doon talaga yun. Maging consistent kami ron. Yun na nga, 13 errors ang mas masaya pagka ganun, konti lang. Hindi execution pagka ganun.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Ana. Thank you, Riza. Congrats on the win.
Thank you.